Hey YouTube, today I got an unboxing video. I already cut it because I haven't looked inside. I am so excited. Alright, let's open it. No. I've been waiting for this since a week. So where's the donor charger? Oh, found it. It's in. If you look in there, it's in there. See, sorry. To get it out, you have to press these two buttons on the back. They'll let it out. Let's look at the charger. Here's the charger. It comes with a lot of modes. Here, this is the first one. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Go back to first. And let's go for the motor. I think the motor needs some new batteries. Because it's on and it's not making any noise. So I'm going to have to put new batteries in it. And I'm going to be changing it right here. I'm going to put it gray. And so, donor charge ready. I wish the power is subscribe and like.